Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So Modelones sent me another PR package, and in this video I'm going to be swatching an acrylic kit that they sent me, and also I'm going to be using the kit to create a design. So in the kit you get 120 ml of monomer that comes sealed, you get these regular forms, and then you get an acrylic brush which is a size 12, and I believe these are Kolinsky as well. And then you get 5 colors, so we'll be swatching them. The first one I'll be swatching is number 16, which is like it's hard to see in the pod, but it's like a clear base with a silver glitter. You should always mix your glitters before using them to prevent marbling. Look at this one though, it reminds me so much of diamonds. And because it's a sheer glitter, you can basically use this over every color. So this one is very versatile and I think it's so beautiful. The second one we're going to swatch is number 13, which is a pink, and this one in my eyes is a true bubblegum pink. It is so pretty. You guys know pink is my favorite color, so I can never get enough pinks. So you guys know I'm pretty new at acrylics, so I'm not an expert, but I really enjoy working with the Modelones acrylics. They apply so easy. They're also very pigmented, and the best part is they are also very affordable. Also, you can get all of these colors separately on the website, so you don't have to buy the kit if you don't want to. So here we have the pink, so beautiful. The next one I'm going to swatch is number 24, which is a mix of silver, 2 sizes I think of silver glitters. This is a plain silver, and what I mean by that is that it is not a holographic glitter, but it is so pretty, so sparkly, as you can tell, and it's silver, so it works with a lot of colors as well. So again, also very versatile. Look at it, oh, so beautiful. The next one is number 20, and this is a gold, and this one is holographic. You guys know that holo is very hard to pick up on camera, but I'm doing my best. But I can tell you in real life it really is holo, and it is. This one is, I think, my favorite one out of the entire kit, even though I love all of them. What I really love about this one is that it is a cool toned gold, which I prefer over really yellow golds, and it is just so beautiful and sparkly. It's such a shame that the video doesn't show the true beauty of it. It's 100 times more beautiful in real life than it is on camera. So that's this one. And then the last one is number 15, which is the plain black, and it's black. I mean, it's really black. Look how pigmented this is. And I've heard from several acrylic nail techs that black is supposed to be hard to work with, or harder to work with. I can only say that the Modelones black is as easy to work with as all the other colors, in my opinion. I mean, you can see as I'm working with it. Look at that. Look at that opacity as well. So let's start our design. I'm going to start on the pinky, and on the pinky I'm just doing a full nail of the pink. I loved this color so much that I just wanted a full nail of just the pink, nothing else on it. So I will be encapsulating all of the nails later, so I'm using the colors just as color. I'm trying to keep these layers thin. Of course, I do want full coverage, so I think I added an extra bead here because I had some shadowing at the cuticle area. But there we go for the pinky. Oh, apparently I had to add a little more there at the sidewall. Then I'm going to skip to the index finger, and on the index finger I'm doing a full nail of that gold, that holographic gold, because I am so in love with this color as well. The glitter in this one is so fine and concentrated that you really only need a thin layer to get full coverage with your glitter. So this is the second small bead that I'm applying, and this will be enough to cover the full nail. I'm going to show you guys the side view to see how thin this layer is while still achieving full coverage. On the thumb I'm going in with the pink first, and I'm applying this at the cuticle area to start with, and I'm going to fade it down the nail. Now this fade doesn't have to be perfect because I will be adding some glitter later, but I still want to get it as nice as I can without having to spend too much time on it. I'm going to add a second small bead So like I said, the fade, try to get it nice, but you know, it doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm going to use that diamond glitter, the one that I think reminds me of diamonds, to put on the tip of the nail, and I'm fading this up towards the cuticle area. Isn't this so pretty? Ugh, beautiful. Look how sparkly that is. I'm adding a little more right at that fade area. There we go. Oh, I love this nail so much. Oh, apparently some more at that sidewall as well. So the reason I skipped the ring finger and the middle finger is because I'm going to use black on those, and I wanted to save those for last, the nails that I was going to use black on. The middle finger is going to be a marble, and I'm starting with a very wet bead of the black acrylic to put at the cuticle area so I can get that nice and neat. And then I'm picking up wet beads of my colors and putting them together and then swirling through with my brush. I know, you guys, I hadn't worked with acrylic in a couple of weeks, and I was being, I don't know what was wrong with me, but the marbling wasn't really doing what I wanted it to do, but the end result does look good. The nail does look good in the end. So if that ever happens to you guys, just keep going, don't give up, just keep adding beads of the colors you think are missing. I was always picking up too much product as well. Look at this, like, why? I have to take off so much every time. But like I said, the end result was really pretty, so I'm fine with it. Some more pink, and then I added some more of the, and then I'm adding some more of that glitter that reminds me of diamonds at the cuticle area. On the ring finger, I'm going to go in with the black, and I want to do a full nail with this black for now. I'm going to try to keep this layer thin as well because I'm going in with the glitter on top, and I was able to do this in a super thin layer, and I got full coverage, full opacity. So this black, I mean, I'm really impressed with it. But after I covered the entire nail with the black, I did leave it to set for just a little bit, so I didn't, because I didn't want to get like the glitter mixed in with the black. And then I'm washing over the holographic gold first, and then the diamond glitter second. I wanted you to still be able to see the black underneath. And then I'm going to encapsulate all of the nails like I said before. I'm showing me encapsulating the index finger. I'm also using the Modelones clear acrylic for this, and again, I mean, I really love the Modelones acrylic in general. The clear as well, I love working with it. It is so clear for acrylic. I mean, I'm so impressed by it. One last bead at the cuticle, and then to finish off my apex and my structure, I'm going to give you a side view of the nail to see what it looks like after encapsulating. So I did this for all the nails, and then I filed, shaped and buffed off camera, obviously, and then I'm going to go in with the Modelones top coat. So I did not use that silver glitter, the really sparkly silver glitter. I did not use that in this set, but I did use all of the other 4 colors. The acrylic kit that I'm using, by the way, is called the Glitter Party Acrylic Kit on the website. I will leave the link to it in my description box. Of course, also don't forget to use my code LOT10 at checkout to get a 10% discount. This does not apply on sale items. Look at this ring finger though, how pretty is it? That glitter over the black, oh, breathtaking. And here we have the marble. Let me know what you guys think. Did it look good at the end? I really like the way it looked. The only thing is I overworked my acrylic a little bit, my clear, when I was encapsulating this nail, so I have some bubbles. Other than that, I really love the nail. Then we have the index finger, that beautiful full nail of that holographic gold. Oh, I think I love every nail in this set. No, I don't think so. I know so. I just adore this set so much. Look. On the thumb, I am top coating the underside of the free edge because that diamond glitter, which is a little sheer. And then, of course, I'm top coating the top surface of the nail. By the way, you guys, if you want to see more designs with this kit, Sassyfantasie has reviewed this kit as well, and she has several videos where she does designs using this kit. So I will leave the link to all her videos where she uses this kit in my description box for you guys. I want to thank Modelones for sending me this kit to review. Thank you to all of you guys for watching and also for your support to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you have any questions or suggestions or just want to say hello, drop me a comment. Thanks again for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye bye. Mwah.